Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Powering this one-owner four-wheel drive crew cab is a gasoline 6.2 liter V8 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission capable of just 12 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking at the back of the truck, you have the rear bumper corner steps. This truck also is equipped with a standard box with a spray-in bed liner and has a backup camera. Moving up to the interior, you have driver seat memory, power adjustable and folding mirrors, power adjustable windows, the BOSE premium sound system. On the dash is your lighting, four-wheel drive, and trailer brake controls. On your heated steering wheel, you have your forward collision warning, cruise control, display controls, and hands-free audio. This truck is currently sitting at 101,369 kilometers. You have a large Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit, which shows your backup camera, dual-zone automatic climate controls, heated and cooled front seats. You have your pedal adjust, cargo lights, parking sensors, and lane keeping assist, as well as your power ports and additional storage. There's wireless phone charging, and this truck is equipped with a premium leather high country interior, and the front two seats are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have lots of storage in the door panel, handles to help you get in, a great view of the sun moonroof, pockets in the back of both front seats, lots of storage in the back of the center console, as well as a 12-volt power adapter. You have a flip-down cup holder in the center seat, and these are 60/40 split flip-up rear seats for additional storage. If you would like to see this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.